Hi, my name is Dr. Naser. I'm the owner of Asbury Dental and Implant Centers. I believe our commitment to provide the highest quality of dental care for our patient, also in treating every single patient as part of a family. We are always trying to provide them with the best treatment modalities and always make sure that we provide them with the best dental care. I would always think about every single patient as part of the family, and I would love to always welcome them, have them feel comfortable, feel welcomed in our practice, and that can help reduce the anxiety and make that patient always leaving with a positive experience. One of the things that I always hear from my patient as a feedback is how welcoming our team is, how welcoming the environment, and how we can walk them through the procedure, how we can finish the procedure in a timely manner while they are enjoying watching the TV or listening to music, which can always reduce the anxiety that accompany any dental visit. I believe one of the great relationship between any healthcare provider and their patient is the trust and the long-term commitment between each other, and that's why most of our patients referring their friends, their family, and they end up all like a generational patient for our practice. I believe our design is a modern, more relaxing, contemporary design that resemble more of a spa environment where it helps patients relax and reduce the anxiety that can accompany the dental visit. Okay, I always thought about my dental practice to be unique in a term that what I can offer for my patients in terms of the furnitures, in terms of the overall flow when the patient enters, the lightings, the music, the furniture. So when I decided to become a practice owner, I was more toward building my dental practice rather than just getting one or buying one, and that's what helped me to put my touches on it, to put my feelings, and I believe it shows in the design, in the flow and lighting, music, and every aspect of the practice. I always dreamed of having a unique piece or unique kind of furniture where it can tell more about my personality or my family personality, and I couldn't find a better way than building that moss wall behind us. We collaborate, me and my wife, we spent a couple weeks putting everything together, and I really enjoy it, and it reminds me every day when I walk in the office of how great that can be. Most patients, they really love it. Many of them, they do take pictures with it, and they're really impressed, and some of them, they do not believe when I tell them that I built it with my wife. When I was thinking on designing my office, I was always thinking of having something unique. So for example, adding the chandelier on the ceilings with all these nice bright light combined with the green from the artificial plants, the flooring, the overall painting. I believe all that helped giving more calming sense for the patient when they walk to the office, knowing that most of our dental patients, they do have that kind of anxiety that can have or can build when they visit the dental practice. For example, when I visit any other dental provider, me myself, I do have that kind of anxiety, and always having a warm, welcoming staff, having a nice music, having a nice lighting, having some TVs that always show things, having a friendly staff, a friendly doctor that can approach you and work on easing that stress. That's always one of the things that stuck in mind when I think about my patient, how to reduce the anxiety they have whenever they visit. Well, dentistry as a profession is not far or not strange from me. I was exposed to dentistry from very early age, my father being a dentist. So me and my brothers, we used to always go to his practice. where we learn more about the profession and how rewarding it is to help patients getting rid of their dental pain or improving their smile or improving their quality of life. So by the time when I was 17, 18, the decision was already in my mind to become a dentist, where I believe I can make the biggest impact on the community. And that's why I attended my dental school. I got a master in public health, and I got advanced education in general dentistry, all with the hope or the dream that being able to change the life for my patients. My best rewards as a dentist is the change that we make to our patients on a daily basis, and being able to take care of their pain, removing their pain, improving their smile, improving their quality of life. I believe that can be the greatest reward for any healthcare provider. I believe all aspects of dentistry are rewarding, but for me personally, I love surgery. I believe surgery can change the life of many patients, especially when we can deal with reconstructions or providing patients with a smile. But I believe the other aspects of dentistry are equally rewarding, and they are equally important in changing patient lives. I believe one of the most important aspects in our field of dentistry or practice is the ability to make impact on patient lives. That impact can be small or big. Sometimes you are able to eliminate the pain from the patient, make them leave the practice pain-free. Sometimes can improving their smile, improving their quality of life. All that can contribute to having the patient a better quality of life.